I am your friend, I am God. Though you sleep, I shall do everything. He never said like that. Rather, when they refuse to fight, he chastised them like anything. What is it? On our register. It is just like non-Aryans, they're talking foolish. People should clearly understand that we don't encourage laziness. We never encourage. According to your capacity, gunakarma vibhaga, you must work. Sharira jatrapite na prasiddhe akarmana. Krishna says that by not working, even if you cannot put on your body and soul together. Krishna says like that.
Isn't laziness one of the demonic qualities, Srila Prabhupada?
It is less than demonic. Demonic qualities have some activity, and laziness is ignorance, darkness. Therefore, too much sleeping is very, very bad. That is another part of laziness. One has to conquer over this sleeping and laziness. Eating, nidra, ahara, vihara, and sense getting. Vihara means sense getting. One has to minimize these things up to the point of need. That is perfect. When there is no more sleeping, no more eating, no more mating, and no more fearing, that is perfect spiritual life. And that is not possible, but as much as possible. This is they can sleep more, that they consider it very great gain.
Consider
profit.
A rich man. A rich man can sleep. The poor man has work. They're always making agitation to reduce what they call the work week. Formerly they're working so many hours per week. Now they want to reduce it down to 40, 30, 20 hours per week.
So why they're inventing machine? Machine means no work.
I think this is progress. Everyone can lie down and the machines will work.
Yes. Machine. Inventing machine means one machine can work for 50 men. The banks are using this, what is that, computer?
Yeah. Yes. Everyone is using computers.
To save money. Machine means unemployment. Tractor they are using, they are unemployment for bulls and plowmen, and then the bulls have to be killed. This is going on. Unemployment, then kill them. Vietnam, send all the men to fight and kill them. As soon as there is overpopulation, they declare war. So that people may be killed.